All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous looking 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 138,000 miles and only 1,400 idle hours. Vehicle is original black on black from factory. Vehicle did receive some paint corrections. Some areas were painted on this vehicle, and I will cover those as I make my way around the vehicle. Vehicle does have some little tiny scratches, and vehicle does have some door dings, okay? Once again, I did not have the whole vehicle repainted. I could not afford to spend $4,500 for a full paint job. So I went halfway and I took care of some other areas. Okay, once again, just bear with me and I will cover those as I make my way around the vehicle. The vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, ready to go anywhere across the states. Everything has been done. There's nothing for you to do, absolutely nothing. Vehicle does have window tint all around from the department. That appears to be a dark shade. I like the way it looks, very FBI looking. This vehicle was from the city of Long Beach. This was a former detective vehicle from the city of Long Beach, California. No rust on her whatsoever. This vehicle does this vehicle is E85 okay, so you could run the vehicle on E85 ethanol. Save some money there at the pump, especially nowadays. Vehicle does have a new police interceptor badge in the trunk lid, right there in the trunk fascia. All right, folks, here we go. The trunk was repainted on the vehicle. I did leave the hole alone and I put an antenna there. That is the actual antenna. So if you need to take your car to an express car wash, the antenna is going to stay put. Along with that, I did have the guys paint the trunk fascia. All right, let me continue before I run off track here. Once again, vehicle does have some little tiny scratches. Vehicle does have some door dings, but nothing major to worry about. I will leave the vehicle with the full wheel covers. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. No spotlights on this vehicle. This was not a patrol unit, so it doesn't have any spotlights on it whatsoever. The vehicle did receive new tires. Those are gonna be the Goodyear Assurance 235, 55, 17. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were worn out and they didn't look good. All right, folks, let me cover this area here. Let me cover this with you here. So the header panel is a new used OEM. I had to replace it because the one that came with the car was broken, so the header panel was repainted. The hood was repainted. The roof was repainted. And along with that, I had the guys color blend the door pillars. So because there was clear coat damage coming down the pillars right here, folks, I had the guys color blend down and cut it right here. Okay, they cut it right there. Along with that, I did have the body shop color sand and buff out driver's side and passenger side of the vehicle so that we can make it look all evenly, and everything came out just fine, folks. I love the way it looks. I couldn't afford to spend $4,500 on the full paint job, but I did spend $23 doing what we did to it. Okay, vehicle does have new lights from the department. Those are gonna be aftermarket, folks. I don't like the way they look. However, I did went to Gopin Ford and I ordered a set of new OEM headlights. I'm gonna be replacing those. Okay, I don't like them. Those are aftermarket, made in Taiwan. It's not gonna roll in my book, folks, so I will replace them. Rest assured, they will be replaced. The lights are coming in on Monday of next week. Vehicle does have some door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. Okay, I'm not telling you the car is perfect right out of the factory floor, because she's not, but she's perfect in my own way. And let me tell you, I am one picky fella. If I don't like it, I'm gonna change it. Vehicle does have a new police interceptor badge. The paint does look really good, very sharp, very shiny. The body shop did an amazing job cleaning her up from what she was, and if I'm not mistaken, I did preloaded a video on YouTube where I'm showing you how this car looked when she first arrived. Let's continue. The vehicle does have a nice interior, matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpet floors. Vehicle does have a new set of aftermarket rover floor mats. Rear doors are fully operational from inside and out of the car. This is going to be unit number 17561. Okay, vehicle does have electric seats. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Vehicle does have a new vehicle does have a new aftermarket center console. I'm sorry guys, I have neighbors coming in, and here goes my chute. Passenger side seat appears to be in nice shape. Vehicle does have working cruise control. One key came with the car. Gracias. Everything does work. Since I'm inside of the vehicle, I have neighbors coming in and out, so I gotta get out of the way. It's getting annoying. Vehicle does have 138,000 miles, 1477 idle hours. Super cold air conditioner. Vehicle does have a new used OEM CD tape deck that I bought on eBay. Vehicle does have a new used ashtray assembly that I also bought on eBay. Okay, the vehicle didn't have any ashtray when it came in. Some receipts. The stereo that came with the car was faulty, so I went ahead and replaced it. Sorry, it got dark on me here, guys. Red LED, white LED. Ticket lights do work. Honk does work. Vehicle does have working cruise control, folks. Working cruise control on the vehicle. And please forgive me if I can't finish the video the way I should, because again, I'm on the way. If I do forget something, folks, I'm gonna make sure I note it down on my eBay ad, and I'm pretty good at doing a very detailed description. Okay, E85. Everybody's coming in right now. She whiz. Vehicle does have a new used full spare tire and wheel. The vehicle did not come with a spare tire, so what you see is what you're gonna get right here, folks. As you guys can see, there is a cutout on the rear tint. I'm leaving that alone just in case if you want to put a rear deck light, you have the cutouts ready for it. I'm going to have to step it up here as I am in the way officially. Yep, this is me. Before I forget, folks, I do have some minor little scuff marks on the front and rear bumper cover. Okay, starting right to left because I have to step it up. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter was done. Transmission was also serviced, folks, and I did go with the Motorcraft LV fluid and filter on this one. Battery was tested and she is healthy. Vehicle does have a brand new intake manifold. The one that came with the car was leaking. I could smell it as I was driving, so I knew where the problem was. I replaced that, and I did put a new OEM thermostat on this one. Drive belt and tensioner appear to be in good condition, so I didn't have to replace those. Brakes are at 70% all around, so no need to replace brakes and rotors. Those are fine. Rear differential was checked and it was nice and full. Fluid was nice and golden. Didn't have to do anything there, folks, but I did check that out. Vehicle does have a brand new OEM fuel filter. Okay, before I forget, I did run a summer campaign on this vehicle, and I got the pressure hose and I went right in between the radiator and condenser, and I cleaned out all the dust bunnies that were there. Okay, so everything is nice and clean. And anybody that knows Crown Victoria, there's a lot of airflow through there and you don't want to have that restricted, so make sure you clean out all the dust bunnies out of your vehicle. Coolant reservoir was replaced. This is a new OEM, and I do have new Motorcraft coolant as well on this one. Alright, the coolant reservoir that came with the vehicle was old and brown looking, so I had to replace it. Suspension is nice and tight. Vehicle doesn't have any funny noises, no funny smells, no funny anything. Let me move out of the way here, folks, again. I am so sorry. This is turning out to be one quite of a freaking day. I'm sorry, guys. Steering wheel, as you guys can see, I will be honest, it does have some wear. This is why I put a cover on it. I could not find you a steering wheel online that was decent, so when I put a steering wheel cover. Floor mats, they're aftermarket. Vehicle does have a tear right there under the driver's side floor mat, little tear right there. Again, folks, this is what the car came with. I couldn't find you a carpet replacement, and I'm not going to spend $1,000 and put a new carpet on this one. I'm sorry, it just doesn't make any business sense for me to do that. Okay. What else? What else? Let me just do the shoot here. The vehicle, once again, folks, she is in perfect running condition, and the vehicle did come with the blue OEM fail-safe radiator and heater hoses. You guys can see that right there. Very quiet, very smooth, folks. Everything does work in the vehicle, and if you guys see something you like, please do not hesitate to get a hold of me. Let's see if we can reach an agreement, and I can put you behind the wheel with this nice looking 2009 Ford Crown Victoria, folks. All right, this is the Crown Victoria signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. I have to go. Thanks for staying with me for these 12 minutes. You guys be safe out there. God bless and take care.